Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to take class for you as herbal cosmetics. Before I will start, I will go for the introduction. So, what is a cosmetics? Cosmetics is the product which is used to alter the beautiness of our body. This can be used externally, that can be used in the skin, that can be used for the teeth, that can be used on the surface of eye, that can be used for the nail. So why it is herbal? Herbal is generally the natural products which are derived from the natural origin or natural resources. Nowadays, the popularity of herbs are increasing. Why? Because these are, first of all, these are coming from the natural resources, which are not having the chemicals. The potency of the pharmaceutical activity is quite high for the this type of herbal products. These are safe to use. These are having less type of side effect in the body. According to Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, cosmetics is defined as any article intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled, or sprayed on, or introduced to, or applied to any part of human body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, or altering the appearance, and includes any article intended for use as component of cosmetics. We can classify the cosmetics depending upon its use. As I told, these cosmetics are generally used on the skin surface. This can be used for the teeth. This can be used for the nail. That can be used for the eyes. So depending upon that can be used for the hair. So depending upon its effect and depending upon its use, we can classify the herbal cosmetics as the cosmetics used for the skin, cosmetics used for the hair, cosmetics used for the teeth, that is also known as dentifrice, the cosmetics which are used for the nail, cosmetics which are used for the eyes. The basic aim for cosmetic use in the skin is to nourish the skin, it should moisten the skin, it should protect the skin from the different debris, and it should clean the debris, it should clean the surface area of the skin. We know that in order to make our skin young, the cosmetics are generally used. We don't want to make its skin healthy and young. So, how the cosmetic work to make the skin healthier? First, there are different type of the cells. Every day in our skin, the death of the cells are going on. So, we can apply cosmetics to cleanse the dead cells from the surface of the skin. Second thing we can do by promoting the moisture content inside the skin surface, we can add certain type of antioxidant which can give a healthy life to the cells. These cosmetics generally sometimes help to increase the blood flow below the skin layer so that the glowing effect of the skin can be easily observed. Sometimes cosmetics act by penetrating through the skin layer, and it improves the stimulation of new cell growth. Herbal cosmetics are used for different type of skin. Some people are having the dry skin, some people are having oily skin, some are having sensitive skin. So depending upon that, different type of herbs can be used. For dry skin, there are different type of the herbs. Very common herbs, those can be used. Maybe that sesame oil, the glycerizer tulsi, triphala, rubia, cardifolia, like those type of herbal ingredient can be used for the dry skin. We can use banana or avocado pulp as the face mask. For sensitive skin, there are different type of the herbs. Those are used. That may be Ajati Rakta indica. that may be coconut oil, that can be curcuma longa, that can be usiro, and sometimes different type of the fruits which can be used as the mask for sensitive skins can be the pineapple pulp or that can be banana. For the oily skin, different type of the herbs which can be used. That may be the tulsi, that can be idora, that can be nimba, that can be mustard oil, that can be milk, that can be buttermilk, or some cream of buttermilk can be used. Those are giving good nourishment to sensitive skin. There are different type of the face masks that can be used for the sensitive skin, that can be of strawberry or the papaya pulp. It will be incomplete to study the cosmetics if we are not thinking about the cream. For every people, we can see they are using the cream in various type of formulation. There are different type of the cream formulation. Among them, very much popular is the cold cream. Cream is generally an emulsion. It is a biphasic liquid dosage form, but these are present in the semi-solid form. Why this is known as the cold cream? Because whenever these are applied on the skin smoothly, uh, this can be rubbed and this can be easily sprayed, and meanwhile it will give the cool sensation in the body. Whenever these are applied to the body, from the surface of the skin, the moistures are liberated and it reduces the temperature, and that's why we are feeling the cold sensation. And due to that cooling effect, and this is known as the cold cream. There are different types of formulation. We can take the ingredient as the almond oil, beeswax, borax, water. Because we know that emulsion is a biphasic liquid dosage form and it is having the two different type of layers. One is the aqueous layer, another one is the oily layer. So we are adding certain type of the emulsifying agent to get make an emulsion between the aqueous and non-aqueous phase. Next one is known as the vanishing cream. Vanishing cream is very popular in the that cosmetic industry. Why? These are also known as the foundation cream. Whenever you are applying on the surface of the skin, they can easily spread, and this these are easily vanishing. Whenever you are applying, they will spread on the surface of the skin, and it will make a disappearing layer. It is easily absorbed on the skin surface. As it is getting absorbed immediately whenever these are getting applied, these are also known as vanishing cream. So this we can prepare by taking a different ratio for stearic acid, borax crystals, sodium carbonate, water, rose oil. This is for the essence. Next one is cleansing cream. A satisfactory cleansing cream is water and oil type of emulsion that melt at our body temperature and spread easily over the skin. Whenever you are applying the cleansing cream, generally the uh, boiling point is very less for the ingredient. Whenever these are applied on the skin surface, these are easily getting melt and these are absorbed. The next category is herbal lotion. The herbal lotion is of different type depending upon its use. That can be studied in different category. First, we are studying about the face lotion. These are also known as the bleaching lotion. Whenever these are applied, they will lighten up our skin and they will alter our skin color like whitening color. As these are cleansing the surface and having uh, these are cleansing the surface and lightening the color. These are very much popular lotion. So this can be prepared by using alum, zinc sulfate, glycerin, tincture of benzoin, essence of rose. Next one is the shaving lotion. Shaving lotion is one of very popular uh, cosmetic for the men. Whenever we are going for the shaving, there is chances of abrasion on the skin surface. In order to avoid the contamination, generally these are prepared to reduce the abrasion and to in order to reduce the infection, these are treated so that the microorganism cannot grow on if there is a certain wound after the abrasion on the skin after shaving. These are generally applied after the shaving. That's why these are known as the shaving lotion. These are the astringent lotion. These are higher percentage of alcohols are present. These are mild antiseptic and they are aid against infection of any kind of bacteria. Another type of cosmetic category are the hair cosmetics. There are different type of the cosmetics which day to day life we are applying on our hair. The first type is known as the hair oil. The hair oil used for dressing and nourishing the hairs and grace to appearance of the hairs. What should be the property of hair oil? They should give luster to the hair. They should give soft and flowing character. They should give they should give the growth of the hair. They should make our brain cool. They should be non-sticky in nature. Next category is hair lotion. Hair lotion is a stimulating effect upon the hair follicles. They are generally perfumed with oil and this possesses a very good stimulating property. The another type of very common hair cosmetic is hair colorant. Generally, whenever our hair is getting gray color, we are using it externally. Hair dye give a temporary color uh, on our hair uh, to improve the hair color. They should be general. These enhance the attractiveness of gray hair. These are applied externally with the help of the brush. So we cannot complete the hair cosmetic without studying shampoo. Shampoo is preparation of surfactant in suitable form, liquid, solid, or powder, which, when used under the condition specific, will remove surface grease, dirt, skin debris from the hair shaft and scalp. So next, we will study about the ideal characteristics of hair care product. First, they should clean without stripping the natural oils because the natural oils give the shininess to the skin. Replace lost protein, moisture and nutrient. The condition without weighing down the hair. It should smooth abert cuticle scales. It should prevent intense drying from the environment. It should cleanse without stripping natural oil. It should protect the hair cuticle. Any cosmetics which are used to alter the beautiness of the teeth are known as the dentifrice. Dentifrice are the preparation intended for use with a toothbrush for the purpose of cleaning the accessible surface of the teeth. They have been prepared in paste, powder, and to a lesser extent in liquid and block form. What should be the characteristic of the liquid? It must reduce incidence of tooth decay. It should maintain the gingiva. It should reduce the intensity of mouth odor. It should maintain the good health of teeth, leading secondary result of cleaning the teeth. There is another type of the cosmetics which are used on the nail. It cannot be complete if you are not studying about the herbal nail care products. So why generally nail care products are used? There are chances of fungal infection. This nail care product generally protect fungal infection. Nails are considered to be body's hardest and strongest tissue. So in order to make it treatment, it will make a sticky layer, it will make a layer on the skin to protect it. People prefer herbal and natural way to treat so that there will be less side effects. Next one is nail polish. A nail polish or enamel, in order to be successful, must contain a film former whose characteristics are ease of brushing application, fast drying, hardening those formulation, and that should enhance adhesion in the nail without losing its resistance to chipping and abrasion. There are different types of the cosmetics which are used for the beautifying of eye. One of them is eyeshadow. So generally eyeshadows are used to give the background of color to the eye. Various shades of eyeshadows are available in the market that may be blue, green, brown, like that, different types of color. Eyeshadows may be either in solid form or in the liquid paste form. What should be the characteristics of eyeshadow? They should have good skin adhesion and should be easy to apply. They should not show any oily luster or application. They should be non-irritant and they should be safe. Generally, these are prepared by help of different vegetable oils. Next, we will study about what are the different type of advantage of herbal cosmetics. These are not provoking any kind of allergic reaction. They are having no side effects. They are easily incorporated with skin and hair. The small quantity they are effective as compared to the systemic cosmetics. This extract of the plant decreases the bulk property of cosmetics and gives appropriate pharmacological effect. These are easily available and found in large variety and quantity. These are easy to manufacture and the cost effective. There are certain type of disadvantages are associated with the herbal drugs, and these herbal cosmetics are having slower effect compared to the allopathic dosage form. They are difficult to hide, taste and order. Most of herbal drugs are not easily available. Manufacturing processes are time consuming and complicated. No pharmacopoeia defines a specific procedure of ingredient to be used for herbal cosmetics. Next one is the evaluation of cosmetics. Evaluation of the cosmetics can be done by self-life determination, by checking the color visually, by making the toxicity studies, by making the biological assay, by making certain skin irritation test, by making sanitization test, and sometimes that can be make experiment with patch test. How the herbs should be stored. Herbs should be stored in cool and dry place. It should contain the moisture, and sometimes moisture also destroy the herbs by making certain bacterial fungal growth. Moisture has to be retained because it has to maintain its minimum moisture content. The dried herbs should be stored in airtight container. Herbs should not be stored in direct sunlight. So right now, nowadays, the cosmetics are in huge popularity, and that too the herbal cosmetics are having its own trend because the cosmetics are having more effect compared to other cosmetic products. These are quite effective in nature. They are having less side effect. They are safe. They are natural. So there are broad scopes for the natural or herbal cosmetic studies. So for today, we have studied about the different. We studied the definition of cosmetics. We studied the herbal cosmetics. We studied the category of cosmetics depending upon its application. We have studied the herbal cosmetics those are used for the skin, the herbal cosmetics which are used for the teeth, the herbal cosmetics which are used for the nail and other cosmetics. So basically, today we completed the herbal cosmetics area. This was the basic of herbal cosmetics. You have to study details by taking the different textbook. You can search and you can surf through internet. You gather more data. If still there will be any kind of doubt, you can reach me immediately through that link given in the web portal. You can ask the question by the link and I will reply accordingly. Try to study, try to listen this one and prepare the notes and the end of the class so we can visit you in the next class. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening carefully.